1-2, 1-2. Ah voilà, là vous m'entendez là? Ok. Hey yo Detoxify. Ok, bon bah alors si ça fonctionne, tant mieux. Vous avez la musique aussi? Hey yo Detoxify, how you doing man? Sonic Blue, hello man, good to see you. What's up? Il y a tout, il y a la musique, il y a Hey Poppies, how you doing? Comment ça va? Pardon, je te parle en français, anglais. Bientôt chinois, hein? Bientôt chinois, Inch'Allah. Ni shi很高兴吗? Je crois que c'est ça, non? Non, ça non, rien à voir. Ça veut dire que est-ce que tu es content? Bon ben, est-ce que tu es content quand même? Le franglais suffisait pas. Non, c'est ça, il faut... Ah, mais tu sais que ça serait un concept, ça. J'ai inventé le franc chinois. J'ai parlé avec des mots chinois dans mon français. Hope the SILKROAD project progress will be zooming in 2023. I hope too. Yes, the detox, I hope too. I think, okay, to be honest, I think the beginning of the year is gonna feel like it's pretty slow, because I'm at the point now where I got my design. It's I finally have an idea of what the game is all about. I don't know all the little details, but at least the big picture. I feel like I have the big picture for the game, but now I'm gonna have to build the foundation for that, and so that's why it's gonna be at the beginning. It's gonna feel like it's slow because I won't be able to show too much exciting stuff. It's mostly gonna be me learning how to do C++, building systems and stuff like that. So it might be 2023 is gonna start slow, but I hope it's gonna end like in a fire part, in a... Comment on dit feu d'artifice? Fire spark? Non, attends, comment on dit? Wohengaussing Nina. T'as vu, je sais lire le chinois. Wohengaussing. Ok. Alors, on va continuer. On va continuer évidemment notre Houdini super system que les Américains nous envient. Ouais, j'imagine. Et je vais vous montrer mon système. Regardez ça. Ça, les États-Unis d'Amérique nous envient ce système de génération procédurale de personnages. Mais en gros, je peux changer la topologie des yeux, enfin faire ce que je veux avec les yeux, juste avec un slider. Et même chose pour la bouche. Donc avec cette idée-là, on pourrait avoir ça là. Et pour les ombres faciales, il y a la topo qui suit. Qu'est-ce que tu appelles les ombres faciales genre la géométrie pour la géométrie qui dessine l'ombre sur un visage? Je pense qu'on peut faire d'autres. Ah ouais, je pense qu'il y a peut-être moyen qu'on fasse d'autres systèmes. Je vais y aller étape par étape. Pour l'instant, je veux déjà juste un truc où. En fait, je vais vous montrer le. Je me suis fait un pur ref. C'est laquelle que j'ai besoin? Load. Où est-ce que j'ai mis ça? J'ai mis ça dans référence? C'est possible. Art style? Ouais, je crois que c'est là. Ouais. Ok. Est-ce que vous avez déjà entendu parler de One Piece, un petit manga qui a son petit quart d'heure de succès au Japon? Je sais pas si vous avez déjà entendu parler. Mais j'aurais trouvé ça cool en fait de pouvoir faire un truc où je peux... Ah, c'est extrême, hein. Mais c'est en fait pourquoi je choisis One Piece, c'est parce que je pense qu'en termes d'animé, c'est peut-être celui qui a le plus de... qui va le plus loin dans certaines phases. Comme il y a des phases qui sont comme ça, il y a des phases... Tu sais que c'est comme ça va très très loin. Il y a des nez qui sont immenses, il y en a d'autres qui sont beaucoup plus petits. Je me demande si je suis capable de faire un système qui puisse procéduralement générer des trucs comme ça. Alors, spoiler alert, je pense que je suis pas capable. Hein. Mais je suis curieux de savoir jusqu'où je peux me rendre. Je suis quand même curieux de savoir jusqu'où je peux me rendre. Est-ce que par exemple je peux mettre ce nez là sur ce gars là par exemple avec ses yeux là et puis prendre sa bouche et... Enfin vous voyez l'idée. Le problème, le gros problème en fait, que pour l'instant ma méthode ne supporte pas, en tout cas ne maîtrise pas, c'est le fait qu'il y a des visages qui sont totalement différents. La forme des visages, genre celui-là il est tout rond. Celui-là, il est vraiment... il est anguleux. Celui-là, il a rien à voir. C'est comment je gère ça, là? C'est comment je gère ça en termes de... Ouais, à la limite, c'est des archétypes. Mais en fait, c'est le... Mais le problème, c'est que les archétypes, je vais être limité. Tu sais, je vais pas pouvoir en faire des dizaines, des dizaines. Si je veux vraiment faire plein de variations, il faut que... J'aurais aimé trouver un système, en fait, où... pour être 100% honnête, c'est plus... je pense que j'en ai même pas besoin d'aller aussi loin. Mais qu'est-ce que tu veux dire par arcade? Oui, je vois ce que tu veux dire. Ouais. Mais je pense que ça serait la meilleure solution. Mais en vrai, ça me... Je suis trop curieux de voir si je suis capable de faire un système plus complexe. Même si je sais que ça va plus loin que ce que j'ai besoin. Mais c'est comme... pour ce début d'année, là, j'ai envie de me faire un petit défi... voir si je suis capable de construire un système comme ça dans Houdini ou autre. Et donc, c'est ce que j'ai envie de tester. Alors, fais le caractère éditeur de Street. Ah oui, c'est vrai qu'il lui, il a l'air costaud comme ce système de. Ah, j'ai vu des gens, ils ont fait des trucs, mais mais dégueulasse. Genre des abominations là. Not found. Ah oui, parce que j'ai pas pris là. Est-ce que j'ai le droit d'ouvrir ça en stream ou je vais perdre ma chaîne si je fais ça?
Yo, what's going on?
Mais typiquement, c'est un truc que j'aimerais bien savoir. Qu'est-ce que tu aimerais savoir? Mais tu vois, c'est quand même... Holy shit. Ah, les changements de proportion de corps? Bah, je pense que ça vient avec... Ouais, c'est vrai que real time peut faire des changements de proportion de corps. Est-ce que tu serais... Je pense que si tu devais le faire dans Unreal, je pense que ça passerait avec un control rig. Je pense que la clé, ça serait le control rig. Ok, on va tenter... Oh, putain, il y a des trucs vraiment... Nice. Ok, ship it. Ok, on va partir sur... Voilà l'idée. Je veux voir un truc. Hey Boris, Boris Metiak. Me dit il faudrait peut-être des endroits où la topo genre assez dense pour pouvoir bien la déformer. C'est possible de faire ce que tu veux, mais avec pas mal de tests et un bon modèle de base OGL. The body type would be useful in the game. Yeah. Yeah, it would be, eh? Hatsune Miku cosplay gone wrong. Exactly. But, like, pardon. En fait, ce que le truc, Boris, c'est que si je regarde ça, il y a vraiment des... Même avec des déformations, même avec des beaucoup de topologies et des déformations, tu sais, je peux pas passer d'un nez comme ça à un nez comme ça, là. C'est là où moi, je me demande comment je peux... Et puis attention, hein, le système de création procédurale que je veux faire, je veux pas que ce soit quelque chose de... C'est pas forcément quelque chose dont j'ai besoin que ce soit dans un éditeur in-game qui soit real time. Là, je vais avoir des problèmes. Non, moi, ce que je voudrais, c'est au moins garder... Même si ça reste dans... Même si ça reste dans Houdini, mais ensuite j'exporte ça en un FBX normal. Donc ça veut dire que je peux quand même... Il y a quand même des choses plus puissantes que je peux faire si je garde pas de ça in-game. Évidemment, si je voulais faire du changement de topologie, mais in-game, ça serait franchement pratiquement impossible. Maybe with the H, Hatsune... Yeah, but it was so ugly that I think it doesn't even deserve the H, so it's just Hatsune. Okay. So here's the thing. So here's what I want to try today. We're gonna start with the UV sphere that's gonna represent the base of our head. Let's go with a little bit like this. And I'm gonna draw... okay. I'm gonna put that on the side. I'm gonna draw an eye. I'm gonna model an eye really quickly. The goal here is just to test idea and not make things pretty. Okay, just give me 1 second. I need to clear my nose. Ok, sorry about that. Qu'est-ce que tu veux, toi? Tu veux monter? Tu veux monter? Oh, on a un visiteur. Oh, dis bonjour. Ouais, oui, ouais, oui, ouais, oui, oui. Oui. Tu veux parler? Tu veux dire bonjour aux gens? Personne te voit là. Personne te voit, la caméra elle est trop proche. Même comme ça on te voit pas. Tu dis bonjour aux gens, Goku? Tu voulais des gratouilles, hein? Oui. C'est Iggy Popcorn. Yes, it is. It is Iggy Popcorn. Eh oui. Okay, but I need to walk, Goku. Okay. So let's go and let's... Oui. Let's create an eye. So for this, just gonna go really quickly. Pas très aérodynamique comme chien, ça doit pas se lancer très loin. Non, ça se lance pas très loin. Et puis si tu le lances, il revient très vite à la charge de manger les fesses. En fait, j'ai jamais essayé. Le boomerang dog, exactement. Alors allons-y, on va faire un truc toc, toc. Comme... Imaginons que ça serait ça qu'on avait comme... C'est un œil, hein. Là-dessus, on aurait... Je vais lui faire des sourcils. Non, ça serait... Je m'absente, l'appel du fromage fondu est trop fort. Ah ouais. Je peux comprendre. Si c'est pour le fromage fondu, je tolère une absence. Hop, on va prendre ça. Tac, tac, tac. Et on va fermer ça. Donc en gros, l'idée que j'aurais, c'est... Je veux créer une topologie où j'aurai le... Il est où ma sphère? J'ai créé une sphère, non? Oh putain. Ouais, ok. Où j'aurai un truc comme ça. Alors... En fait... Je ferai un système où effectivement on aurait... Comment je peux gérer ça? Attendez, je vais le dupliquer. Je vais en garder un qui sera toujours au centre et sans miroir. Comme ça. On est d'accord que ça... Ouais, c'est bon. En fait, voilà. En fait, ce que je vais peut-être faire, l'idée, ça serait peut-être ça. Ça serait de... Ouais, y aller comme ça là. Me délimiter une zone. Pourquoi ça marche pas? Ah merde. Ok. Alors, on aurait un truc comme ça. En fait, la première chose que je veux faire, c'est trouver un moyen où l'œil puisse suivre la surface du l'œil suive la surface de la soi-disant tête là. Ça serait cool de trouver un moyen pour faire ça. L'idée que j'ai, ça serait de dire... Alors vous savez quoi, on va déjà exporter ça. On va déjà exporter ça, tout ça dans Houdini. Je vais voir si... On va déjà exporter ça dans Houdini. On va déjà voir ce qu'on peut faire avec tout ça dans Houdini et comment faire pour que ça puisse suivre la courbe d'une tête. Alors, on va se mettre comme ça. Temp, on va mettre ça dans Caracasto. On va appeler ça I blocky 01. Et on va exporter ça. En vrai, j'ai même pas besoin d'exporter ça. Là, c'est tellement basique, je peux refaire la même chose dans Houdini. Ok, on va se créer un nouveau une nouvelle géométrie. Celle-là, on en a plus besoin. Je vais renommer. Celle-là, ça va s'appeler First Test. Celui-là, ça sera Procedural, Topo, I. Et on y va. Donc on a besoin d'une sphère qui va être notre base. Alors on la veut en polygone et on la veut en polygone mesh, ouais, c'est ça. La taille, ça me semble assez petit. Je vais aller chercher mon... Voyons voir. Je pense que je vais déjà mettre ça en favori. Je peux le mettre en favori comme ça? Ou c'est comme... Ah ouais, d'accord, c'est comme ça. Ouais, ok. Je pense que vous y voyez rien hein, sur Houdini là. C'est vraiment tout petit hein, Je vais voir si je peux changer ça tout à l'heure. Caracasto. Ah, il est bloqué. Waouh! À chaque fois, il y a ce problème de transform qui doit être réduit. On y est. Je vais voir dans les préférences. General User Interface. Global UI Scale. Je peux peut-être le monter. Allons-y jusqu'à 2. Peut-être que 2 c'est intense. Bah ça a rien changé. Est-ce qu'il faut que je redémarre Houdini? Change the playboard global save will take effect in your next Houdini session. Okay, so accept. We're gonna save everything. I'm gonna Restart. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Ah, wow, that's bigger. Maybe a little bit too big now, but at least it's good for the stream. So no, it's too big. It's a bit too big. Let's go with maybe 1.6. Alright, that's better. My screen is 4K, so that's why it was so too small. I feel like it's better for the stream. Okay, so this might be a little bit too small, but at least for the file edit and render, it's readable on stream, I think. And me, I don't feel too crowded in. Okay, so we got this eye thing. Now we're gonna want to we have the sphere. Gonna make a transform of that. Yeah, so how do I scale on just one? I don't know how to do that. Here we go. Let's go for something like that for the head. Maybe put more subdivision. How many should I put? Yeah, okay, let's go for that. Oh, I need to have something that is symmetric, so let me check on the front. It is. Okay. With scale 2 is what, like 1080. Yeah, it's true. Thank you very much, Notch, for the subscription. It's really appreciated. Thank you, man. How you doing? The issue is that now everything inside the node will be scaled like that. What do you mean, the everything inside the node? Which node? Unless I'm reading the panel wrong. Alright. So we got this. The idea here is to, I want to, let's get back to this one. I want to grab the, I want to make a shape. The sphere node, which, this one? The global scale control. You mean the uniform scale? I'm not sure to understand what's the issue here. I'm sorry, I don't follow you on this one. I'm not sure what to. I don't understand what you mean by what is the issue with the sphere. I just wanted to have more resolution in the sphere and. Okay. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see quickly if something is wrong. I know that I need to check on this here. That would be my first culprit then. But yeah, so we got this. My idea here is to create a new... I want to try to select all the... Oh shit, I got some weird issue on the shading. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna recalculate outside. No, sorry, recalculate inside. Ctrl Shift N. Right, and we're gonna re-export this. Perfect. And I'm gonna do it in. I feel like I'm gonna do it in Blender because I'm more used to work with Blender, and right now I just want to test solution. So here's the thing, I got this, and what I'm trying to do is, okay, so this would be my deformer. So I'm gonna call deformer I, and then I would have my actual eye. Hey Furio, comment ça va? Salut! Salutations les amis de la forêt. De la forêt et de la plage. Puisque nous incluons tout le monde aujourd'hui. Sachez que si vous êtes des amis de la mer ou de la plage, vous êtes aussi les bienvenus. Et de la montagne aussi. N'oublions pas ceux de la montagne non plus. Ah, toi, c'est juste les gars de la forêt. Mais je comprends. Je comprends. Il y a eu des troubles entre les gars de la forêt, les gars de la montagne et les gars de la plage. Ok, alors allons-y avec un... Par exemple, je prends un mesh deformer. Et je lui dis, qu'est-ce qui va déformer? Ça va être mon deform eye. Et là, je bind. Ce qui fait que maintenant, si je prends ça... et que je bouge mes vertex. Merde. Non, attendez une minute. Qu'est-ce que j'ai foutu? J'ai fait une connerie là. Qu'est-ce que j'ai... Pourquoi j'ai touché une... Et donc si je fais ça, bah ça marche pas. Pas sûr de bien savoir pourquoi, mais... Est-ce que c'est parce qu'il n'y a pas de... Est-ce que ça veut dire que j'ai besoin d'avoir un... Ça se pourrait. Ça marche uniquement quand c'est comme ça peut-être. Unbind, bind. Ça ne marche toujours pas. Non, je veux pas des fils de la plage. Attends. Ah ouais, vous êtes tous des... Qu'est-ce que vous avez contre les gens de la plage? Moi ça va tranquille, et toi? C'est quoi le plan du jour? Le plan du jour, c'est on va trouver des systèmes que même Microsoft et Google va nous envier pour faire des visages procédurales avec énormément de liberté sur le type de design qu'on veut. Stuck in rotation mode. Yeah. I feel like yeah, it was this. I'm getting a bit rusty with the with Blender. So no, so it still doesn't want to work. Is it because maybe it needs to have thickness? Could it be? Like now if I unbind and bind. Yeah, okay, now it's working. So it seems like So in Blender, it seems like you need to have a thickness to make it, the mesh deformer working. Interesting. Is it the same thing in the would it be the same thing in Houdini? Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna export this in Houdini. It's gonna be my I blocky 01 deformer. Right, to be honest, I really don't know. I'm not really sure where I'm going with that. I'm testing stuff, so you're gonna see me a little bit struggle with stuff. J'aime bien quand ça attaque à Microsoft, mais devant eux, dit plutôt Procedural. Ah ouais. Je vois ce que t'as essayé de faire. Qu'on a l'air sérieux au moins. Ouais, t'as raison, t'as raison. Procedural. Non, mais t'as raison. Parce que sinon, après, si je fais des fautes de français, je vais passer pour un noob. Non, t'as raison. Je vais y aller avec le costard. Les bons mots, les bons termes, les bonnes conjugaisons, les bonnes... Et puis, on va s'attaquer à Microsoft. Lourd en tout cas. Tu veux faire ça pour automatiser la création des NPC? Yes. C'est exactement ce que je veux faire. Maybe it doesn't like single-sided polygon. Yeah, it seems like it's more like... exactly. At least in Blender, you need to have... It seems like you need to have a thickness and... You can't have a single-sided polygon. Right, so here we got this. Now... how should I call this? Deformation. What would be the way to bone deform, clone deformation wrangle? No. Alright, let's ask ChatGPT. Putain, cette image, à chaque fois que j'ouvre ma fenêtre, ça me fait peur. Alors, bonjour ChatGPT. Tu retires ce que t'as dit sur Procedural. En fait, je me souviens plus du tout ce que j'ai dit. On dit pas Procedural? Ah non, ah si. Ah ouais, ok. Procedural, c'est bon. Bon, bah alors on ne retire rien du tout alors. C'est toi qui avais raison. Dans Houdini, comment je peux déformer un mesh qui suit la surface? What the fuck? Putain, ce clavier m'énerve. Pourquoi je suis à chaque fois... Putain. Pourquoi je peux pas utiliser... Ah, ça m'énerve les claviers. Pourquoi j'ai 1000 claviers sur cet ordi là et je peux pas passer d'un clavier à l'autre? Non. Tu te fous de moi là? Ah, pourquoi je peux pas avoir mes... Bon, ça m'énerve. D'un... Yeah, exactly. Which wrong suggestion would tell us today, ChatGPT? We'll see. We'll see if it's gonna be in the first answer. If it's gonna start with the first answer to be wrong. Masculin procéduraux, féminin procédural, visage procéduraux donc. Eh ben, parfait. Il y a plusieurs façons de déformer une maille. Oh, c'est joli ça. Une maille qui suit la surface d'un autre maillage. Ah, Houdini est vraiment franco-français, hein. Il n'y a pas de franglais avec lui. Hein. Dans Houdini, mais l'une des méthodes les plus couramment utilisées est l'utilisation d'un opérateur de déformation de surface. Les opérateurs SOP permettent de déformer les maillages. J'aurais peut-être dû demander en anglais, parce que là, maintenant, déformation de surface, ça me paraît pas super clair. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire, déformation de surface? Créez une scène avec les deux maillages que vous souhaitez utiliser. Sélectionnez le maillage que vous souhaitez déformer et ouvrez-le dans un opérateur SOP. What? Ok, je vais reposer la question, je comprends rien. In Houdini, how could I deform a mesh following the surface of another mesh? Ah putain. In Houdini, one way to deform a mesh following the surface of another mesh is by using the surface deform SOP. Mais il n'existe pas. Je rêve. Surface deform. Mais non, il n'y a pas de surface deform. De quoi tu parles? Bon, bah, tu vois. You see, Sonic Blue, first answer already a wrong answer. Hein? Or is it? Could I use the close deform maybe? Yeah, well, okay. Substance for the surface deforms, mais absolument pas. Hein. Absolument pas. Nope. Not at all. Let's see. Maybe with the close deform, I could do that. Let me see. Houdini. I'm curious to know how this close deform works. If only the Houdini guide would load. Yeah. Okay, so the close deform deforms geometry captured by the close capture SOP. High resolution geometry that is used to render close usually isn't suitable for direct close simulation. It is recommended that you use cleaner. That could be interesting, although it might be a bit overkill, but actually I think it's close capture. So okay, so the close capture tools assigns weights to the point in the high-res geometry. These weights determine the influence of each low-res points on each high-res point. A guide deform, but the guide deform isn't it for the hair, like it's following a curve and not. I feel like the guide deform. Yeah, it's for the hair. The guide is for the hair and the yeah, it's more hair thing stuff. Yeah, it's use curves. It's not really what I'm looking for here. I feel like the close deform could give me what I want because it's exactly what this kind of result I want. Meaning that I have a mesh that's have no thickness that's deforming something with the like a geometry. Maybe I could use the capture default. How do I load the? Let me check. Whoop. No, sorry, it's here. Close the form. Alright, so let's check this. So this example demonstrates how to transform low-res close sim to a high-res close object using the close capture and close transfer node. Dive down into the grid object to examine the setup. Oh, polydeform, maybe. Seems like promising. I won't find it on the okay. Houdini polydeform, you say. Sounds like something that's I would want it.
Hi, this is Luis from Side Effects, and in this video I'm going to talk about the defaults in the first input, and then this video I'm going to talk about object and make it only the target the first one into look like the second one. And we have some controls.
Okay, no, it's not really. Okay, no, it's not really what the result I'm trying to get. Here, this one is more to transform the shape of an object to another one. It's a cool one, eh? But it's not really. Yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting. That's probably gonna be useful. Oh, that's probably gonna be useful for later. But it's not the result I wanted to find here. Okay, here. So we got the sphere. Yeah. Okay. So that's one. Copy several times. Edit. Cool. We got the grid. Another one, and there is 3 here. Not sure why. Subdivide, facet. Okay, close capture. The close capture node assigns weights to the point in the high-res geometry. These weights determine the influence of each low-res point. So on one side we have this, on the other side we have this. Okay, so this is the I'm guessing that's if I'm starting to play. Sorry. It doesn't simulate? Oh, there is no simulation here. Okay. Okay, but the thing is, we got the close capture. So we need the low res, the high res first. Okay. So I need geometry to capture. That would be this one. And close to capture with, that would be this one. And then we have geometry to deform. That would be, I guess, this one. Yes. Rest close. That would be the same. Am I doing this right? Oh no, wait, okay, no, it's the red. And this one is D'ailleurs, si ça te dérange pas, t'as fixé comment le problème que t'avais à un moment en lançant Houdini? Je suis passé à Houdini 18.5. J'ai pas la dernière version. Ouais, je m'en souviens, t'avais même coupé ton live early à côté. Bah, c'est ça, en fait, je suis juste passé sur un build précédent là. Donc, c'est pas terrible comme. C'est effectivement pas terrible comme solution, mais pour l'instant, ça marche. Ok, et donc là on aurait le reste. Donc en fait c'est plutôt celui-là qu'il me faut. Et là on aurait le deforming close. Donc l'idée ça serait par exemple si je prends celui-là. Allons-y, je fais un twist là-dessus là. Donc, sur ça par exemple. Pourquoi tu twistes pas? C'est parce que. But then you have to simulate this in ENG. No, that's the thing. It's more like I don't think it has to be simulating. Maybe it can just be yeah, okay. Let's go with that. Here we go. See? That's exactly what I wanted. So I don't have to simulate stuff. I can just go. Cool. Cool. And this is okay. So now you are asking, hey, Bayigit, how you doing? Doing good. Hope you're doing well too. So now you could asking, okay, that's great and all, but why all of this? What's the point? Well, the point is to be able to say, okay, you know what? All of this, we're gonna transform this, and we're gonna make we're gonna also transform this. So both of them. I think I need to do what is called copy. Create reference copy, exactly. And here and here and here and here. Okay. Put the eyes on the head shape. Yes, exactly. And then no matter what's the head shape, it's gonna follow the curvature of the head. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So if I'm grabbing this, now I can move that. Like, can orient that, maybe scale it a little bit. Give him a little bit of a chance to. Here we go. And then the idea here is to say, okay, you know what? You know this sphere, this head. I want that to snap onto the sphere. So I want all the vertex to snap onto the sphere. So what would be the equivalent of shrink wrap into Houdini? I already forgot that. I think it's called ray. Could it be something like that? So we got the points of primitive to collision primitive. Something like this. Method, minimum distance. Forgot how to do that. The shrink wrap wouldn't have worked because it would have tried to push all the points towards the target shape. Oh, there is a shrink wrap? There was already something called shrink wrap? Wow. Okay, I was trying to... Wait a minute. Why don't have... I only have just one input? Computes the convex hull of the input geometry and moves its polygon inward along the normal. I don't get it. Compute the convex hull. The shrink wrap SOP compute the convex hull of the input points and shift the results polygon along their normal to shrink or grow the shapes. The algorithm is also used by the bullet solver to build convex hull collision shape. Okay. Not sure that's what I was looking for. Okay, let's ask Google. So Houdini snap vertex project vertex to surface. Weird doesn't do the same thing. Yeah, it's weird. I don't get it. The shrink wrap in Houdini. What brought you to do everything by? Hey, Necromancer. How you doing? I love your pseudo, Necromancer. What brought you to do everything by your hands? Modeling, character, animation, shading? Just because it's fun. It's fun. It's actually fun to have to have control of everything, you know, and be able to do exactly all the thing I want. Seems like he's using something called a project. Maybe it's that simple actually. Like, wait, here. Could it be something called project? Here we go. Yes. The 3D face to project and the spline surface to project. Wait. Does it work with spline? What's going on there? Did I do it wrong? Why do I have... No. Project. Treat profile curves on surface. Ah, okay, but it's for the curve. Not really what I'm looking for here. See also trim profile primitive. So it's not... I mean, how do you do if, let's say you want to make some retopology, Houdini retopology. No, it's not topo transfer. Non mais je suis sûr qu'il y a un truc qui existe déjà dans Houdini. C'est juste que un truc simple. Il n'y a pas un truc simple, surface projection, step by step. What the fuck? Putain, c'est cool ça. Ah, en vrai, c'est vraiment cool. Bon, c'est un peu plus que ce que j'ai besoin. Moi, je veux juste un truc super simple. Ray Geometry Node. I'm almost sure that it's in the Ray Geometry. Ray Wrap. Ah, je crois que c'est ça. Je crois que c'est ça. Fais-moi voir. So... Ray. I'm almost sure there is an option in the Ray geometry. Here we go. That's exactly what I want. So okay, let's go with the example. Okay, so place a grid node. I don't get it why the DPI is changing every time. Place a grid node, set its orientation to XY plane and find a point. Oh, okay. Turn on display normal. The ray up will move the point of the grid in the direction of the point normal. Okay, so it should move the point. So why does it? Okay, let's try again. So we got the points or primitive and the collision primitive. Let's go again. So we got this and this. We got that. And now the direction, the normal. I'm good with that. Intersect farthest distance, point intersection. No. Scale. Ooh. It seems more like the inflate function. The inflate, I'm not sure. So sorry, mistyping. I see. Thanks. I'm I'm good. Could be that it projects the mesh. I think that the retopple node has a snapping built-in. There's also a topo transfer node. Yeah, the topo transfer is a little bit too much. I'm pretty sure that's the ray node. It's the one I'm looking for. Like, fuck. I lost again the project one surface onto another. That's exactly what I want. Okay, let me see this one, for example. Let's load this. So we got the ray warp. This one. So the ray SOP protects one object over the surface contour of another. It does so by calculating the collision of the projected object normal with the surface geometry of the collided object. In this example, a grid is wrapped over the surface of a deformed sphere using the ray SOP. Holy shit. So we got a grid, so we got the point. The point SOP is used here to add normal to the point on the surface of the grid. Ah, peut-être qu'en fait, j'ai pas calculé mes normales. The edit SOP is used here to move a point on the surface of the sphere to create a dimple. This has been done to better illustrate the contour wrapping. Cool. The primitive SOP is used here to add color to the... Oh, okay, don't care. Okay, so the ray SOP projects the grid over the surface contour of the sphere. It does so by calculating the collision of the grid normal with the surface geometry of the... So he's using the vector 1, but everything else is pretty much standard. So what it's saying is that it's using normal, but if there is no normal, maybe that's why it doesn't project. So let's go with that. So we're gonna create the normal on vertices, why not? Or on point, maybe point would be better. And we're gonna do the same here. What's going on with this normal? Ooh, what's going on with the shading? Oh, is it because of this? Oh yeah, okay. Now if I'm looking at the ray, no. So the lift, could it be the scale, the rebias. Oh, point intersection distance, point intersection normal. Minimum distance. Okay, actually the minimum distance is working. Is it a good idea to use the minimum distance? Okay, for now, let's go with that. Gonna lift a little bit. Ah, but I see the normal is completely broken actually. I see. I think it's because the normal is completely... Again, it's an issue with the... No? Oh no, it's not an issue with the normal. The normal is fine. But the lift... I don't get it why... But okay, it's fine. It's fine. And so now, if I'm doing this... Yes, we have... no, we don't have the... Wait a minute. It didn't deform at all. Like... Oh yes, it does. It does, but it's not really good. Is it because of the weighting? Like... maybe... Okay, maybe it was because of the radius of the weighting. Sorry, I wasn't looking... Oh, shit. Okay, that was an old miss. It seems that people doesn't shrink wrap meshes in Houdini. Yeah. It says normals. Face normal instead of point. So actually, my people around me told me that people can never do many things. I agree that to some extent. However, but I think I can do anything I think about it procedurally and challenge it. And having fun is one of the most important, I guess. Yeah, it's for me personally, it's more like I can't do anything. I can do everything I want to do. It's just that I have to accept that I need to be super patient and yeah. So it all depends what you mean. How do you define doing stuff? Like, for example, doing animation. Anybody can do animation. The question is, can you do good animation? So anybody can learn how to do animation. It's just that I accept the fact that all I'm gonna do is gonna be amateurish and it's not gonna look professional. But I'm fine with that. I'm fine that everything is not gonna look perfect because I'm not an expert in everything, obviously. But I'm fine with that. It's just that I'm having fun doing it this way, and even if you pick even if you pick elements of my game one by one and looking at them with a magnifying glass and see that yeah, it's not professional, or could have been done better, or it's rough. I think that if it's done by one person, the global things, it's gonna be interesting. At least I hope it's gonna be interesting, because people is gonna feel like there is this a soul in it. Anyway, that's what I think. All right, so now if I'm looking that with the with the sphere. Where is the sphere? The sphere is here. Now we see that we got the eyes that's following really nicely the surface of the head. That's exactly what I wanted. That's pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool, eh? That's the thing. Does it will look good? But at this point, it's more like it's not even does it will looks good. It's more like does it look. Would it be interesting? Like take for example the first game that's come in mind is Undertale. Yeah, okay. Look at the sprite or look at the graphics and just with a magnifying glass, just it doesn't look super super cool. It's not a professional, you know, work. If you just take sprite one by one, you could say, okay, yeah, it's a little bit childish or it's not perfect, but it's not the point. The point is the whole thing. You have to take the whole game, and I think that this game could only have been done just by one person. It could not have been done by a large team of people, like a big studio or stuff like that, because it's too personal and it's screaming too much personality. What was the issue? I missed the fix. The issue was the close capture. It was too high. So when it's too high, it's starting to. You see the difference. Like the vertex was grabbing influence for other vertex that was too close. It was averaging too much the. Yeah. I had to just make sure that the capture size was not too big. And here we go. So that's actually pretty cool. So now what I need to do is cut the head and make a hole in this, so that then I can integrate that into it. Yeah, it's trying to average a bigger shape. That's exactly the what it was trying to do. But I'm happy to say that it is working. Pretty cool, eh? So we will go like this. All right. So now let's do the cutting thing. I'm gonna use the. How could I do that? Because if I'm doing a boolean, it's still gonna give me. Oh, I could use the one I found. Actually the what was that? The one you show me. It was the project, I think, where. Yeah, the project treats profile curves on surface. Okay, that's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I want. Where the idea would be that cool stuff, eh? Alright, so place a circle soap, then place a tube soap, okay, connect them into a project OP circle to input 1, tube to input 2. Append a trim sub to the project node. It trims the surface according to the projection provided by the project nodes. You need to append a trim node to a project node to get this trimming. Okay, so first of all, I need to catch just the border. So what would be the best way to isolate the border? Oh, you know what? Let's go with the poly. Attendez. Oh, you made it just by adapting nodes? What do you mean adapting adapting? But that the thing is now, look, now that's gonna be the good thing is that even if I edit the sphere, like if I'm going there and I'm putting a poly edit, no, it's just an edit actually. Tuck. I can go up, select the point. Oh fuck. Like, let me see where the eye is. For example, I'm putting this one and I say, okay, you know what? I'm gonna move that. You see how it's deforming the actually I'm even gonna use the primitive and with the soft. How do I do the soft selection? Or I could just do the you know what? Just me I need to learn how to polymodel in oh. Oh, sorry. Oop, and then wait a minute. Okay. Let's say I want this and you see how now it's deforming the eye, so the eyes is always wait. Seems like the capture needs to be tweaked a little bit more. And yeah, maybe anyway, I think you get the idea. Okay, T for the oh shit, I'm always a little bit too late. So good, I'm back, good raclette. Ah, c'est bon ça. 1 plus S, okay. 1 plus S for the oh, okay. Sorry, English is not my first language. Don't worry, Necromancer. I mean by using nodes. Yeah, Yeah, it's all with nodes. That's the good thing of Udemy. Love that. And T for the transform. Okay, I'll try to remember that. Seems like geometry nodes in Blender. A little bit, yeah. But in Houdini is there. Houdini is there much longer than Blender, so you have more control and option in Houdini. But yeah, it's the same principle. The geometry node in Blender, it's based on the same idea. You need to row. Okay. But I think it only works with the transform tool. Okay. But it's fine. It was just for testing the stuff. All right. So now what I want is just to I need to find a way to just keep the edge. So this, and make a curve from this. Extract point from curve. No, curve to surface. Curve. How do I? Is there an input for that? No. How do I convert selection? Non, c'est pas ça. Let's see. Houdini, how to convert edge selection to curve, to shape. Turn edges into curves. How can I turn an edge loops into a curve? Can you delete all but the edges you wish and then use the convert SOP and SOP and roll? And SOP? Really? When you use that soft selection tool, you had a bar at the bottom left of the screen. It's the same in the transform mode. When it's on, you can move it by clicking on it. I think I see what you mean. So like T for transform, yeah, right. And you told me it was the S one. No. G for transform and S. Oh, S is for select. Select. Okay. Ah, S is for select. All right. And then T for transform. Okay. And then you tell me that's with the mouse wheel you need. Okay. So I'll roll that, and with the mouse wheel. Ah, okay. Okay. Now I get it. Cool. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sonic Blue. Okay, one is for point. Okay, I get it now. Yeah, I saw the red bar here. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Thank you, man. Right, so someone saying that's the end swap section group. Like, what is that? I was trying Udemy some years ago for direct modeling. Yeah, it's tricky, eh? It's tricky. So what's the point in? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't like that. For that matter, you could skip the delete step as you can remove unused points in the add SOP anyway. This solve is pretty good. Is there something more recent? Houdini edge selection to curve. Edge group to curve geometry node. As a beta tool for that under lab section. Called edge group to curve. Really? Is that something like edge group? No. Edge curve? No. I don't know if there's an extract node for the maybe extract. Extract all points. What does it do? Can you see this link? No, I don't see the crit points or polygon or ads. Did you post it? I don't see the link for some reason. Sorry. Group to curve. Ah, c'est ça. Isolate age in case you can't see the link. Okay, isolate age. Isolate. No. Yeah, I got a bot for that. Yeah, I don't want to anybody to post link on the stream. Okay, what if? Okay, let's try something. So what if I'm doing a blast and I'm gonna blast all the vertex except this, and then I do what it's called? It's the I think I saw someone speak about this. The is it the ends node? No. Add. And then blast everything. Okay, yeah. And the guy renamed the node and I got confused. So I'm pretty sure there is a node for the convert soap. I don't get it, this end soap and roll. Actually, I'm not even sure what to end. I don't even sure I understand what this one is doing. Do not provide the same functionality on the face hull type on the primitive knob. Close, opens, or clamped endpoint. Yeah, but okay, it's cool, but it's not. Bon, on essaie ChatGPT. On sait jamais. In Houdini, how can I extract a curve from a edge selection? Ah. The lab version, but what do you mean the lab version? What's the name of the tool? Where is the lab? Do I have the lab installed? Ooh. No, I have the lab. It's here. Oh no, maybe not. Ooh, okay. I don't even have the labs installed. Shit, man. Okay, so we're gonna save everything and we're gonna restart. Ninja mode. How you doing, Utopix Art? Good to see you there. You need to click to install them first. Yeah, like I did, eh? So now it should be installed, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah, I know that's the labs is awesome. So now maybe I got the edge to curve. Here we go. Fuck, man. Okay. So now if I just doing no, wait. Group. Group of points. Base group, we want this. We're gonna call this border. And so now I can say, wait, what? Oh shit, you want... Ah, you want primitive, eh? Happy birthday! Ah, c'est l'anniversaire de qui là? Happy New Year. Ah, ok. ok. Tu sens le vent, ouais. Alright, so do distance from extract border. Putain, on a même un truc fait exprès. Ben voilà. Et ben voilà. Putain, mais hey. Allez hop, tout ça à la poubelle. J'ai plus besoin de vous. C'est exactement ce que je voulais. Là maintenant, on peut projeter ça sur. The spline, ok, donc the spline ça va être ça. Nous on veut projeter sur ça. Donc on a ça. C'est bon ça ou pas? Et ensuite... on fait un trim soap. Si je comprends bien. Et non. Et non. Bon, alors c'est sûrement là où c'est... Il y a quelque chose qui cloche. Peut-être parce que c'est pas une curve techniquement. Il faut faire un convert. Et genre on convert ça vers un... Qu'est-ce que je suis censé utiliser là? Bezier curve? Spline? Spline ou Bézier? Est-ce qu'on a spline? Tu vois spline quelque part, toi? Bezier curve, hein? NURBS? Ah, tu dis NURBS, toi. Ouais. Non, non. Non, non, c'est pas ça. Attendez, je vais juste 5 minutes. C'est un Français de chez Renault qui a inventé les Béziers. Ah ouais, c'est Monsieur Bézier? Ok, donnez-moi juste 5 minutes, je me pose bio. Et voilà. Ok, alright. Bon alors. Peut-être que ça vaut le coup de reposer la question à Houdini. Ah, je l'ai peut-être fait à l'envers en fait. Attendez. Si je fais ça... Et ça... Non. C'est quoi le bridge soap? Skin trim surface or holes create highly controllable. Oh. Ah mais par contre il est dépression on dirait. The guide said nerves. Weird. Ok. Le petit ligne de ce contrat stipule que vous êtes baisé. Bon, attends. Ouais. You mean maybe by going into NURBS? So NURBS curve. Yeah, doesn't seem to do much. Okay, let's go with the okay, show me example. I'm sure you got some example here. The project curve. Let's go. Alright, so this example show the project SOP projecting a circle onto a tube. So we got a circle and you're right, it is in NURBS curve. And we got the tube. Oh, maybe it's because both of them are in NURBS. Project the face onto a NURBS or Bezier surface. Bezier surface. Okay, so. So that's the thing. It doesn't work if it's a polygon, right? Ah, I see. Right. Voilà le problème. Il est là le problème en fait. Yeah, that's the thing. Right. So okay. So then, how do I Houdini trim curve on polygon surface? Spline trim geometry node. Spline trim geometry node? Trims away part of a spline surface defined by a profile. Non, c'est pas ça. Non, non, non. Carve. Non, c'est pas ça, carve. Slice, cut, or extract points or cross section from a primitive. Could it be? What the fuck is that? Pourquoi je suis sur le Houdini russe? If you have the nodes connected to the wrong input and you want to switch them without the... Oh, Shift R. Okay, cool. Yeah. Je suis pas sûr que ce soit ça que je... Non, c'est pas ça, c'est pas ça, c'est ouais, ça. Non, carve... Ah ouais, ça y est, je me souviens ce que c'est carve et c'est pas du tout ça. Ok, alors... Can I do polyfill? No. Triangle. Yeah, let's go with single polygon, triangle fun. No, let's go with triangle and then reverse patches. No. Then poly. Ah, c'est quoi déjà le nom du Solidify? The if I want to. Oh, let's use the labs thicken, so it can go in both direction. And then let's go with a boolean. Okay, c'est l'inverse. Okay, so Shift R, here we go. Okay. So that's the thing. I don't want to treat as surface. There we go. Fuck, man. That's so much easier. Cool. All right. Damn, that was much easier. Right. So now we can get back to our... So this is for the deform. So now I can just do a merge. So we got this, then we got this. It's giving us this. And... Right, we're gonna have an issue here because I don't want... How could I say that? Right, so I want to merge the that's gonna be a tricky one. It's getting more complex every day, eh? So because now I can do a fuse. There is not the same amount of polygon everywhere, so it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's almost working, but yeah, okay, so we are almost there. Okay, is there a way to so for example here, output, okay, output edge groups, the AA seams. What is that? The A seams? No, sorry. No. The base group is gonna be the B seam, A, B seam. Je comprends pas ce que ça veut dire les. Ok, ça c'est A, B seam, right? Ça c'est A seam et ça c'est. Mais attends, non. C'est tous les mêmes. Ah mais non, putain, je suis débile. B seam, c'est ça. A seam, c'est ça. Bon. Et AB seam, c'est ça. Donc, visiblement, moi j'ai besoin du AB seam. Considering Houdini, you could regenerate the mesh that you cut and it will fit with proper geometry. You could regenerate the mesh that you cut and it will fit the proper geometry. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire par là? Oh non. Non. Parce que, alors attends. Et si en fait le avant d'extract le border, ça là en fait je... Est-ce qu'il y a un truc qui s'appelle expand? Comment je pourrais... Salut H-Lord. Comment je pourrais pousser... How could I push that onto the... like making slide... Make it slide... Distance from border. Maybe. Fais-moi voir. Non, rien à voir. Non. Non, c'est pas slide, c'est... Et si... Alors attends. To remove the extra point, you can use... Yeah, but it's not pretty. Like, the issue I have is that you see that I have point here, I have point here. What I want is to I want to keep those points here, the one that's come from the edge. I want to fuse this one, but I want to keep this one because that's the one that's is flush with the loop here. I don't know if I can find a way to do that. Like like in my boolean here, I would love to be able to say after that oh ouais non mais it's not really what I was looking for. Okay. How could I treat that? Can you mark them in some ways? How the tool can already some... But I can mark them in a way that's I could say that or maybe I could what is the wait, what if fuse target. Oh, I could use a target group would be this, for example. And no. No. The target group would be... maybe I need to convert promote group promote. Like the group name is gonna be AB Sims, and I want to convert to point. So that's now, if I'm going there, I should have the AB Sims. Yes. Now when enabled, this is the subset of points that will be snapped to by query points. Otherwise, the query points is also the group. Okay, so we are almost there. All I need to do is group the correct. So for now, all the group is this point. If I'm able to isolate only the points I'm interested in, it's gonna be much easier. So So how could I do that? Is there a way to do that? You know what? I think there is a way. If we are looking at the vertex, the one that I'm interested are the one where there is only two edge. Okay. I'm onto something. You're gonna see. We're gonna do an attribute wrangle, and we're gonna group that only on the AB seams, and we're gonna run that on all our points. Cool. All right, and we're gonna say for each point, how could I ask how many? What is it? The next. The SFX is like what Genshin Impact does. They have the hole and the eyes with the same boundary. Yeah, but that's the thing. It's the thing with that is in Genshin Impact everybody has the same head shape, you know, or kind of. What I'm trying to do is be able to have shape like this, and then shape like this, and then shape like this. So I never know where it's gonna be the hole. You know, the hole can be anywhere. So I can't choose too much the Genshin Impact. Or could I? Wait a minute. Or maybe I could actually. Okay. I want to finish with my idea, but it's make me think that there might be an easier way, an even better way to do that. So I'm gonna finish with this idea just to check what I'm trying to do, if it's making sense or not. But there might be an even better way to do that. So the idea I have here is I want Houdini Vex gets how many get the number of points connected to point neighbor. I think it's this one. So returns the point number of the next point connected to a given point. I think it's neighbor count. Return the number of points that are connected to the wait, here we go. That's the one that I wanted. So if I go to the int I equal neighbor count. So we want this and the pt num. Ah, shit. Because my here we go. pt num. So if I is less or shit. Then that's gonna be fucking annoying to work with the... Give me my... Je sais pas comment faire là. Je sais pas comment... Pourquoi mon clavier est foutu comme ça là. Ça me saoule. I hate this. Why can't I have my keyboard layout? I don't want this one. Nope, it's still not the right one. Fuck, man. What is that? I don't want the US, I want this one. Is it working now? Shit. No, it's not the multilingual. It's the I think it's this one. There we go. Ooh. If you recite the head and eyes, the whole moves too. Yeah, but that would mean I can't. It's more like look, if I want to have a head like this and then I want to have maybe a head like this, see the difference between it's too much, or even a head like this. I don't know. It feel like I wouldn't be able. But once again, I'm just saying that I know that I'm trying to do something that is way too complex for the for what I need. It's just that for me it's a good exercise actually. I know that at the end I'm never gonna use this system. It's gonna be much simpler. I know that I'm over designing stuff, but I just wanted to I just wanted to have fun. Yeah, that's the thing. The point would be, in some points the point will be super compressed, and then in other case it's gonna be it's gonna be, yeah, the topology is gonna be weird in some extreme case. Okay, so if the neighbor count is less or equal to 2, sorry, I got the hiccups. We're gonna create a new group called group test. Let's go with just a group test, and we're gonna say 1. Whoop. So now if I'm looking at the group and I'm looking at no, not age but points, I got test. Here we go. You see? That's exactly what I wanted. So all the one I want to keep are highlighted, but the one, perfect. All right. So now I can feed that here. I don't even need the promote actually. And when I'm doing the fuse, I can say the target group is gonna be, wait, what? Maybe I need to promote. They are slightly visible, but okay. That's most important. Trust me. You have to trust me. They are there. Okay, so you're not the target group. What are you looking at? Aren't you looking for point group? So you should be able to see my... We are running on points, right? Yeah. I don't get it. Oh, you think it's removed the no, it's there. It's there, and yeah, no, it's there. No, it's there, and it's keeping the yeah, it's true. I can do that. You're right. But the group, where are the group? Yeah, the test one, point group, and the edge group. So we get an edge group and a point group. Oh, here we go. Ah, okay. And right, I still need to promote the. Actually, I still need to promote the AB sims. Keep no, and we need to promote it to points. So that's now I can use that here. And now if I pushing that, no, it's not. Oh, okay. Wait, I just need another step. Now the other step is gonna be to do a fuse here, actually. Yes. And actually even that. And do a fuse already there. So we're gonna go with the point on the AB seams and around the test. And so now I can go all the way. No. No, fuck man, you're right. Good one. No, I didn't save the project. You're right. The green, what are specified point, near point, list point number. Okay, maybe I need to redo a normal. You're right, save every time. I feel like we are almost there, but this one is weird. Why is that? When testing stuff with Houdini, I always fear that you may crash it. Selecting the wrong... Yeah, you're right. I need to have this habit. Pourquoi il... List point number... of age value. Okay. Keep fused point, no. Remove repeated point, remove unused point, remove all unused point, fuse snipe point. Okay, so we got here. Can I is there a way to I feel like we're almost there. And now okay, okay, and you know what? Now would be a good time actually to do a quad remesher. I feel like would be a good one. Right, but I want to keep... Is there a way to say I want to keep the border? If on, quad remesher would use the existing primitive groups boundaries to guide the... Yeah, I already bought the quad remesher, so it's fine. But is there a way for me to say I don't want to mess with the border? I want to keep the border. Yeah. It's too useful to not buy it. Use primitive group boundary. If on, crowd remesher will use the existing primitive groups boundaries to guide the remeshing. If on, crowd remesher will use the existing primitive groups. Okay, I see. Primitive attributes. If not empty, quad remesher will use these primitive integral boundaries to drive the remeshing. Not sure to understand. Use material boundaries. Nope. Ok, c'est con qui me... Oh, alors attends, peut-être que on devrait le faire après. En fait, je devrais faire ça. En fait, on va faire ça. Celui-là, on le vire. Voilà. Donc là, après, on est prêt pour faire un fuse. Là, au moins, on peut le fuse sans problème. Ça va marcher beaucoup mieux. Ça devrait marcher beaucoup mieux. Ah, parce que je suis encore en train de... Pardon. Pas de target group. Voilà. Donc là, c'est du propre. Yeah, I think you're right. It's not cheap, but for my usage, that's a kind of I'm okay with the paying for that. Then maybe I can remesh it, but it's gonna remesh the eyes too, so that's gonna be an issue. Is there a way to prevent to remesh the eye? That's the thing. We are almost there. It's just that it's fucking ugly. The integration here. Could have it. All right, so okay. Oh, it's already 2 hours I've been streaming. Okay, so I tried something. It feels like okay. I went a little bit extreme on the Houdini side and the system, but I needed that. It's how my brain works. I need to go too big and then realize why it's not such a good idea. So now I start to realize the the issue and stuff like that. So next stream I'm gonna try something else. I have another idea, and it might be more it might be much interesting to use. Yeah, we'll see for the next idea. Thank you very much, guys. Hope I wish everybody. Yeah. We try some on the next room. We're gonna try another method. While working on this method, I got an idea for another one, but that's how my brain works. I need to work on something, and it's giving me new ideas. That's how I roll. So it's not so bad. It's not wasted time. That's what I mean. So I wish you everybody a good day, good night, depending on when or where you're watching this video, and I hope you'll be there for the next one. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and see you. Bye bye.